In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block AnyDesk ads by removing the local AnyDesk AppData folder on Windows. This is a quick and simple method that can help clear out stored settings, cached files, and leftover data that may be contributing to unwanted ad behavior or clutter in the app. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to open Command Prompt with administrator privileges. To do that, click the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen, type CND, and when Command Prompt appears in the results, right-click it. From the menu, choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission through User Account Control, click Yes to continue. Now that Command Prompt is open as an administrator, we can move on to the cleanup step. Type this command exactly as shown, Rmdir, choose ERC APCPDATA%, AnyDesk. After typing it, press Enter on your keyboard. What this command does is remove the AnyDesk folder from your AppData directory, along with its stored settings and cached files. The Q switch runs it quietly, and the C switch removes all subfolders and files inside that directory. This is why it's important to type it carefully, because it deletes the folder completely. Once the command finishes, AnyDesk's local app data should be removed from the system. This can help reset leftover components and reduce unwanted behavior tied to stored files. If you ever need to reinstall or set it up again later, the app may rebuild fresh settings automatically. Just remember, deleting app data affects local configuration, so if you have anything important saved in that folder, make sure you understand that it will be removed. And that's it. You've now completed the main step to block AnyDesk ads by clearing the related app data folder. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical Windows fixes, app tips, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.